Hello my lovely friends, I'm Sola Bagai and this post is about the concept of RSI indicator. First of all, I must say that in the price action method there is no place for indicators. This doesn't mean that we don't know them. We even need to know more about the function of indicators than those who analyze based on them. We learn the function of important indicators but don't use them. Let's go to RSI. As you know, the RSI consists of five components, 4 areas and 1 wave. The amount of the wave is calculated with the help of mathematical calculations of past data. The wave fluctuates in these 4 areas and tell us what the financial situation of the chart is. The value of this wave is online. That is, it shows the moment, just like for example, ECG. An ECG records the exact moment. The ECG has no information about the past or the future. The same is true of the RSI. For example, doctors have seen many times that the ECG is healthy at the moment, but the patient had a heart attack 1 hour later. Indicators for the reason can't decide for us. At best, they are the result of past mathematical calculations and can advise us, but their value can't be the reason of opening a position. Okay, now let's see how to use RSI. I have divided the indicator into 4 areas: green, dark green, red, and dark red. Green is the area of buyers. These buyers may or may not be powerful, but we know that they are not eager buyers. That is, they are not willing to pay more than the market norm. Dark green area is also a buyer area. Buyers in this area may or may not be strong, but we know they are eager. That is, they decide to buy more expensive than usual in the market. Let's talk more about buyer behavior in the dark green area. What will happen if these buyers are not strong? They will not be able to increase market demand. That is, since their longs are not large, they cannot delay the supply of the market. Immediately after the long of these people, the market returns to its previous state and supply increases. And this led to lower prices. In the examples that I will say, this issue will be clear for you. Don't forget one point. What will happen if buyers are strong in this area? They will be able to raise the price over time. They raise the price so much that the eager buyer is not in the market. Now let's go to the sales area. Red is the area of sellers. These sellers may be powerful, they may not be. But we know that they are not eager sellers. That is, they don't want to sell cheaper than the market norm. They love their property and don't want to lose it for free. Just like green zone. Do you remember? The buyers who love their money and don't want to lose it. Dark red is also a seller's area. Sellers in this area may or may not be powerful, but we know they are eager. That is, they decide to sell cheaper than usual in the market. What will happen if these sellers don't have power? They will not be able to increase supply in the market. After the sale of these people, the market returns to the previous state and demand increases. And this led to an increase in the price. But if these sellers have power, the market will decline over time. Let's look at the market with a few examples. I have covered the price with a white page so we can move forward step by step. You always read the same. We should look for 2 peaks that in the second peak, despite the price increase, buyers are not eager. we have had a price increase that has led to the indicator to go to the area of eager buyers here. Are these buyers rich? We don't know. We need to know how much they buy. Compare trading volume with previous days. The volume are large. They were rich, so they can raise the price even higher. We move forward to reach a peak where eager buyers are not present. Here, eager buyers are here too. In this area, eager buyers are here too. But there are no eager buyer here. You may say, then why has the volume of trading increased? Dear friends, these volumes are more related to selling position, not buying positions. What should I do now? I have to look for two valleys, which in the second valley, despite the price reduction, the sellers are not eager. In this area, sellers are eager. We are looking for a price reduction, and sellers are not eager. This price is lower than previous price, and sellers are not eager. This is a good area to open a long position. Now we have open long position and looking for two peaks. That second peak have not eager buyers, and there is our targets. And we do this over and over again. Okay guys, I hope you like this post. If I get support in likes, comments and views, I will upload the next educational post as well. Wish you good days. Thank you. Goodbye.